hey, to use air gestures on the Realme GT6, first of all, you will have to navigate into the settings. Then you will have to start scrolling until you locate special features. And right now you will have to go for the smart sensing. Then open air gestures, and now just simply turn them on by clicking on the switchers right here and also right here. And now if you turn them on, it will be also useful if you learn the gestures. So these are gestures for system, and this one are actually for app. So here you can find the quick guide how you can use it. And if you want to start using this, you will have to open your quick settings panel and enable this function to activate the air gestures. So now when I'm gonna hold my finger like this, I should actually get the air gesture information. Okay, the front camera is turned on. So now let's try if it works. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work actually. But normally you just, I mean, there's maybe probably some kind of the issue in my model, but previously I was like doing this, and you know, you have to just show the palm of your hand like this, like this. You can show your finger above the camera, but it's not working right now for some reason. Yeah, you can tell me in the comments if you have the same issue, but previously I was using this, but now it's just not working. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.